Loma Linda Academy, there's been over 350, 400 volunteers that have come down to give their time for 2 days. And it's just been an incredible 2 days, especially with everything that happened here in San Bernardino this last week.
My name is Nathan. I'm a freshman here at Loma Linda Academy, and I chose to volunteer in the Love Is All Amen Clinic. I'm a part of the vision team here, and the highlight of the day was this man with very poor vision, and he was very emotional. He was crying, and we gave him 2 pairs of glasses because his eyesight wasn't the greatest, and he had a lot of trouble talking, and he had said the best thing ever. It was, "Who are you people?" And he was like, "Keep doing what you're doing. You guys are touching many lives, and I know you guys touch mine."
Events like these are crucial because they allow us to demonstrate the hands and feet of Christ in helping the community, and people are able to come and get care that they could not otherwise afford. And in the mix of all that, we're able to share the gospel and just share the good news of how Christ came to help those less fortunate.
What's exciting about this one is, the scope. There's so many things offered. It's not just the dental, it's not just the vision. There's lifestyle, there's many other aspects as well that offer the people. But again, I also appreciate the fact that it's a ministry.
We're providing free eye care services to the people in the San Bernardino area. They're getting a free eye exam, free pair of prescription glasses, health examination for glaucoma check, cataract checks, and diabetic checks. And thanks to the residents of the ophthalmology department at Loma Linda, we have over 4 to 6 providers providing care for the patients we're seeing today and yesterday.
I was a little unsure myself. As a medical student, I don't have a license. I've learned a lot of skills, but haven't been able to do anything on my own. So I came in being willing to do anything, and they put me in lifestyle counseling, which was actually pretty simple. I read through a pamphlet and kind of had some information. And anyway, I think whatever skills you have, whether you're a professional or whether you're just a student or somebody who wants to be helpful, I know that we need anything any hands that can be willing to help.
I was more amazed at the people because they seemed really genuine about what they were doing. Like, they really cared about the people, every person coming in, and I really thought that was amazing. And there are a lot of patients or a lot of people I talked to that came in, and like, it was just so good. Like, I felt like God brought them here at this perfect time. Like, it just felt like a God moment. Like, I was able to pray with some of them, and it was just so amazing. And I don't know, I enjoyed it so much, and I want to come back whenever you guys have another one. Yeah.